Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can restore your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find all of your websites on Wix. So, for example, I'm going to go to one of the websites, click on select and edit site. And then as you can see, guys, right now it's loading our dashboard. Once you're here in your dashboard, if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these sections. And right here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. If you click on edit site, this will take you to the Wix site editor on Wix. So just wait for it to load. And then once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need to edit it. Then here in the top, you're going to find site. So I'm going to show you guys how you can restore the site. First of all, I'm going to move it to the trash, to delete it. And now we're going to go back to the dashboard. I'm going to confirm deleting the site. Click on move to trash. And right now, as you can see, guys, we deleted the site. Right now, as you can see, guys, we are again in the home page. And here in the top, as you can see, guys, you're going to find the trash folder. Go ahead and click on trash. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have here on the trash. And as you can see, guys, if you hover your mouse over the site, you're going to find the option to restore site. So we're going to click on restore site. Then here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find you're about to restore your site. Once restored, your site will remain unpublished until you publish it. So I'm going to click on restore. And as you can see, guys, now the site was successfully restored. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.